Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Journey TV. I'm so happy you're here for day 3 of our 30-day English Fluency Challenge. If you've completed day 1 and day 2, fantastic work. Every day you practice, you become a little more confident and a little more fluent. Today's lesson is all about asking questions. Good conversations begin with good questions. Whether you're meeting someone for the first time, talking with a friend, shopping, traveling, or working, asking questions helps you communicate naturally. In this lesson, you'll practice 99 useful English questions that native speakers use every day. Here's how we'll practice. First, listen carefully. Next, repeat the question aloud. Speak clearly and don't worry if you make mistakes. Every mistake helps you improve. Remember, fluency doesn't come from reading silently. It comes from speaking out loud every day. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Let's begin. Question 1. What is your name? What is your name? Question 2. How do you spell your name? How do you spell your name? Question 3. Where are you from? Where are you from? Question 4. Where do you live? Where do you live? Question 5. How old are you? How old are you? Question 6. What do you do? What do you do? Question 7. Do you work or study? Do you work or study? Question 8. What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? Question 9. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? Question 10. Do you enjoy cooking? Do you enjoy cooking? Question 11. What's your favorite drink? What's your favorite drink? Question 12. What time do you usually wake up? What time do you usually wake up? Question 13. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? Question 14. Do you like coffee or tea? Do you like coffee or tea? Question 15. What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season? Question 16. Do you like sunny days? Do you like sunny days? Question 17. What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? Question 18. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Question 19. How many people are in your family? How many people are in your family? Question 20. Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? Question 21. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? Question 22. What kind of music do you enjoy? What kind of music do you enjoy? Question 23. Can you play a musical instrument? Can you play a musical instrument? Question 24. What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? Question 25. Do you enjoy reading books? Do you enjoy reading books? Question 26. What did you eat for breakfast? What did you eat for breakfast? Question 27. How do you usually get to work or school? How do you usually get to work or school? Question 28. Do you like walking? Do you like walking? Question 29. What languages do you speak? What languages do you speak? Question 30. Why are you learning English? Why are you learning English? Question 31. How often do you practice English? How often do you practice English? Question 32. What helps you learn English better? What helps you learn English better? Question 33. Are you ready to become more fluent? Are you ready to become more fluent? Excellent work! You've just completed the first 33 essential English questions. Every question you say aloud helps build stronger speaking habits and greater confidence. Take a short break, drink some water, and when you're ready, continue with part 2, where we'll practice more natural questions for everyday conversations with friends, coworkers, and people you meet. Part 2. Welcome back. Great job finishing part 1. You're doing an amazing job. Remember, don't rush. Focus on speaking clearly and confidently. In this section, you'll practice questions that people ask during everyday conversations. These are useful when talking with friends, coworkers, classmates, neighbors, and even people you meet for the first time. Listen carefully, then repeat each question aloud. Let's continue. Question 34. How was your day? How was your day? Question 35. What are you doing right now? What are you doing right now? Question 36. What are your plans for today? What are your plans for today? Question 37. What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? Question 38. What are you going to do this weekend? What are you going to do this weekend? Question 39. Have you finished your work? Have you finished your work? Question 40. Are you busy today? Are you busy today? Question 41. Can I help you? Can I help you? Question 42. Would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee? Question 43. Would you like to join us? Would you like to join us? Question 44. What time shall we meet? What time shall we meet? Question 45. Where would you like to go? Where would you like to go? Question 46. Do you have any plans tonight? Do you have any plans tonight? Question 47. Have you been here before? Have you been here before? Question 48. What do you think about this place? What do you think about this place? Question 49. What do you usually do after work? What do you usually do after work? Question 50. Do you exercise regularly? Do you exercise regularly? Question 51. What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby? Question 52. How often do you watch movies? How often do you watch movies? Question 53. Do you enjoy traveling? Do you enjoy traveling? Question 54. Which country would you like to visit? Which country would you like to visit? Question 55. Have you ever traveled alone? Have you ever traveled alone? Question 56. What's your dream vacation? What's your dream vacation? Question 57. What's your favorite restaurant? What's your favorite restaurant? Question 58. Do you like trying new food? Do you like trying new food? Question 59. What's your favorite dessert? What's your favorite dessert? Question 60. How often do you cook at home? How often do you cook at home? Question 61. What kind of job would you like to have? What kind of job would you like to have? Question 62. What makes you happy? What makes you happy? Question 63. What do you do when you're tired? What do you do when you're tired? Question 64. Who inspires you the most? Who inspires you the most? Question 65. What's something new you learned recently? What's something new you learned recently? Question 66. Are you enjoying today's English practice? Are you enjoying today's English practice? Fantastic work! You've now practiced 66 essential English questions that can help you communicate in many real-life situations. Take a short break, relax your voice, and get ready for part 3. In the final section, you'll learn more useful questions for shopping, traveling, restaurants, transportation, emergencies, and many other everyday situations. You've already completed 2 sections of today's lesson. Excellent work! Every question you practice helps you become a more confident English speaker. In this final section, you'll learn useful questions for real-life situations like shopping, restaurants, transportation, travel, healthcare, and everyday communication. Remember to listen carefully and repeat each question aloud. Let's finish strong. Question 67. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Question 68. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Question 69. Do you have this in a different size? Do you have this in a different size? Question 70. Where is the nearest restroom? Where is the nearest restroom? Question 71. Could you help me, please? Could you help me, please? Question 72. Can you show me the way? Can you show me the way? Question 73. Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop? Question 74. What time does the train leave? What time does the train leave? Question 75. Which platform should I use? Which platform should I use? Question 76. How long will the trip take? How long will the trip take? Question 77. Is this seat available? Is this seat available? Question 78. May I sit here? May I sit here? Question 79. Could I have the menu, please? Could I have the menu, please? Question 80. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? Question 81. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Question 82. Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included? Question 83. Can I check in now? Can I check in now? Question 84. What time is checkout? What time is checkout? Question 85. Where can I find a taxi? Where can I find a taxi? Question 86. Is there a pharmacy nearby? Is there a pharmacy nearby? Question 87. Can you call a doctor? Can you call a doctor? Question 88. What happened? What happened? Question 89. Are you feeling okay? Are you feeling okay? Question 90. Do you need any help? Do you need any help? Question 91. Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? Question 92. Could you speak more slowly? Could you speak more slowly? Question 93. What does this word mean? What does this word mean? Question 94. How do you pronounce this word? How do you pronounce this word? Question 95. Can you write it down? Can you write it down? Question 96. Did you understand everything? Did you understand everything? Question 97. What would you like to learn next? What would you like to learn next? Question 98. Will you practice English again tomorrow? Will you practice English again tomorrow? Question 99. Are you becoming more confident every day? Are you becoming more confident every day? Closing congratulations! You have completed day 3 of the 30-day English Fluency Challenge. Today, you practice 99 essential English questions that you can use in real conversations every day. These questions will help you start conversations, ask for information, and communicate with confidence wherever you go. Remember, becoming fluent isn't about being perfect. It's about practicing consistently. Even 15 or 20 minutes of speaking every day can make a big difference over time. If you found today's lesson helpful, continue your journey by completing day 4 tomorrow. Each lesson builds on the previous one, helping you speak English more naturally and confidently. Thank you so much for practicing with English Journey TV. Keep speaking, keep learning, and never stop believing in yourself. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in day 4 of our 30-day English Fluency Challenge. Goodbye.